summarizing this 12 minutes long video using Google's AI.
Because he wanted to look like a character from Dragon Ball Z, to which the
Because it says, I quit my $140,000 job after learning this about money. So here are the 4 things he learned, and the third one is what most people do wrong.
The first realization that made me quit my job was I realized that I was replaceable, and ultimately the company did not care for my well-being. As of recent, there have been a lot of layoffs in the tech industry as well as many other industries. I have a lot of friends that are laid off right now, and I've experienced personally at least 3 cycles of layoffs.
Lesson number 2.
The other big realization I had before I quit my job, especially as the company started to grow in the thousands of employees, was that if I truly wanted to be wealthy, I needed to actually own a piece of equity or a piece of the company. I started to look around at all this. You need to either own a product, a business, or some type of intellectual property. Now, another way that I think you can do it is that if you have a normal job, you have some great stock options at the company that you are working for. So I'm not saying you have to start a business. In fact, many people are making a really great living by owning some stock options at a company that is performing well over time. For example, if you're like a VP at NVIDIA.
And lesson number 4 was,
my last thought here is that because I was actively choosing to prioritize my career early on, I was essentially allowing money to control or dictate my actions. I became fascinated with money, and the thing is that I thought money made the world go round. I did like making it. I liked talking about it. I liked managing and optimizing it. It's probably a large reason as to why I started this channel. But at the root of my fascination with money, I realized it's just about freedom. I wanted the freedom to do whatever I wanted to do.
So basically he was looking for freedom just like any of us. Now what about number 3? Wait till the end, because this one thing may make you $500 to $1,000 per day, even if you are a complete beginner.
The next realization I had was that while I was making a really good income, my time wasn't my own. You see, typically when you work for a company, let's say you're a full-time employee, you work 8 hours a day or about 40 hours a week. That's only 35% of your waking hours. Now, obviously, I am assuming that you sleep 8 hours per day, so that means of 112 waking hours, you work 40 of them. That's about 35%, and I think that's a reasonable bargain, right? You're trading 35% of your waking hours.
What he's basically doing here is calculating time. Well, if you stop calculating and just take 30 to 90 minutes per day to do high-ticket affiliate marketing using simple videos just like ours, make short and valuable content, then publish them across Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, then this will make you wait. Not yet. You need to guide your viewers to an automated high-ticket funnel that will automatically sell them $1,000 to $2,000 offer. And when it happens, you will earn $500 to $1,000 in passive affiliate commission. And the best part about our program, for which our students love our program, is that it's 99% done for you. To learn more, check my profile, the first comment and caption for a free case study.